National statistician Dennis Mapa says the flood control corruption scandal led to historic lows in construction activity, leading to 550,000 construction jobs lost year-on-year. Mapa adds around 258,000 were also lost in the transport and storage industry. The Philippine Statistics Authority notes job losses in the construction sector offset the service sector's gains from the holiday season. This led to the Philippines' unemployment rate standing still at 4.4% in December 2025, equivalent to 2.26 million Filipinos. Meantime, the higher cost of utilities and rent pushed inflation to an 11-month high of 2% in January 2026. This is higher than the 1.8% recorded in December 2025. Mapa says adjustments in yearly rentals usually begin in January, thus the increase. He also notes the increase in prices of meals in restaurants or eateries as factors. The Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas meantime acknowledges the weakening outlook on domestic economic activity and declining business sentiment due to the infrastructure corruption scandal.